Occasionally, sometimes, fly off.
The Queen's cheese, the first one.
Oh, it's the Queen's cheese.
Almost in the way. Oh, she's really good. Oh, look at that. Well done.
Ava. Fiona. Rosie. Leela. Amelia. Thea.
Everybody calls her Layla.
Another Amelia. Harper. Well done. Elsie. Esme. So many. Isabel. Olive. Jessica.
You're very set up today?
Yeah.
Contact today.
Mia.
A lot easier than
Annika.
changing lenses. Ah, yeah, almost.
Almost the same.
Yeah.
Flag boys. Let's give the Flower Girls a big round of applause. Well done. Sunkai, the Black Boys. Joe Atkins. Lenny.
I was looking out.
Didn't they do a great job running up and down that hill? Maxie Rufus. Magnus. Oscar. Sam. Jon and Sebastian. Big round of applause for the flag boys. And now we're moving on to the princesses. Cordelia, Izzy, Evelyn, Emma, Florence, and June. A big hand for the princesses. Well done, all those. And now the ladies in waiting. Anya and Beatrice, where are you? Well done. And the cheese bearers, Jago and Lila. And now for our personalities. Our mop man, or mop woman, mop lady, mop Wonder Woman, Rachel. Big round of applause for Rachel. And her apprentice in so many ways, Tabitha. Thank you. Wonderful job of leading the procession. And the St George's flag, the ex-mayor, Joe Marston. Where are you, Joe? And the Union flag, Yana Mayer. Where's Yana? And our High Sheriff keeping everyone in order, Mr. Nick Lithgow. And our sword bearer, Leos Mayor. Well done, Leos. And now our wonderful Queen, Millie Atkins. Well done, Millie. And now, representing Randwick Cricket Club and all that's good in Randwick, our Mayor for the second time, Mr. Brian Crutchley. Well done, Brian. You didn't get a kiss from me last time, did you? Okay, thank you everybody for coming. Have a lovely day. A health and safety announcement. Be healthy, stay safe. That's it.
Well said. Yay.